lighter, and I was made to feel inferior. Cause society say brown girls prettier. Me love the way me look, me love my pretty black skin. Respect due to my strong melanin. Proud of my color, love the skin that I'm in. My born racism, demolish colorism. The things when you ever say you might not even love me back. I get hate from my own race, yes, that's a fact. The same black people, them say I'm too black. You reach out your skin, them same one come and chat. Well, since you say that I'm too black for you, do I look how you want me to? Now I'm gonna see if you gonna say I'm too bright for you, or do I look pretty to you? Black people, hypocrisy. Leave the girls them with low sexy. Who no go on like say you have to broad be pretty. Me run the whole of them and dirty iniquity. This a black people hypocrisy. Leave the girls them with low sexy. I am black and beautiful, I know I'm pretty. And I'm reminding every black woman that you are beautiful.
Promoter eyalese Spice mu ggwanga erya Uganda ndowooza yasinzo kifunamu naye ng'omuntu Spice naye ndowooza akifunyeemu. Yes, guvanga ku promoter, by the way promoter tumuwe credit. N'okeeza omuyimbi nga Spice mu ggwanga erya Uganda. Full week agenda gimala wano. Full week. Naye atandise dda press conference yakakolanya. Imagine omuyimbi nzijukira Wizkid we yajja yatuuka ku olwo press conference nga yoro ne performance nga yoro. Imagine otuuse ku olwo olunaku okooye press conference balina gikola ku olwo olunaku okooye ne performance nga yo ku olwo olunaku okooye. Kyokatanga kwekyo ekiro teyasula mu ggwanga erya Uganda oyamala performinga ne bapaakinga ebintu bye paka entebe airport era bwatu n'afuluma. Naye Spice agenzeeko ku Uganda Matters alambudde olubiri akoze press conference nya yakakola press conference nya M23 nya ate nga gye week gyenegwerako nsubiranga ziweze n'omukaaga oba omunaana. Ekyo nakyo twali tetukirabangako naye ng'embeera bwetu weebadde Spice wabadde mu lubiri olwa Ssaabasajja e Bulange e Mengo.